we're going to compare this TWIX 22-inch with the original TWIX, which is 18-inch, and then we're also going to add in the Belle Tress Amber Rock, which is shorter at about 14 inches, but features the same tight spiral crimped texture. All of them. So in this side-by-side comparison, I want you to take note of the different lengths, but I also want you to take note of the additional layering added to this 22-inch TWIX as opposed to the original TWIX and or the Amber Rock style, because it really does help out with this length. It makes it less bushy with a more tapered, graduated look overall. I think it looks much better. Now, I prefer to wear this up off of the face a little bit, pulling back from the sides just to reduce the volume. I love wearing it that way with my Amber Rock and my original TWIX.